So Canggu has 3 main areas. I'm in the actual real main area. This is kind of what started it all, which is the Batu Bolong area. And yeah, I'm at the roundabout here. There's a statue, Love Anchor, which is a shopping area, is right there. So I'm gonna start here, walk down towards the beach. It's almost sunset. You guys get a glimpse of what it's like here in the area while everyone's walking around shopping, cooling down. Hello. But yeah, this is the main Canggu area. This is what all the Instagrammers share, all the content creators in their 20s and 30s, not old guys like me in my 40s. Not that old. 45, but I don't feel that old. But anyways, yeah, this is kind of the main area. We've seen a lot of different people from around the world here, different ages, so it is a place where everybody can come hang out. Again, lots of good shopping like here at Love Anchor. And you'll see all the way down, there's all sorts of little shops you can get things at. You can, yeah, there's like silver shops, there's restaurants, there's cafes, there's co-working. There's places to stay, and you guys get to see that in this video. Again, we didn't really know what areas were the top areas to come to in the Canggu area, so that's why I'm making this raw walk series with the 3 different areas, so you guys can make the best decision. So yeah, you can go back and watch the other area, that's where we're staying in, and then there'll be one after this as well, with a different, more chilled surfer vibe over there. So yeah, check it out. This is the main Canggu area. What's up? What's going on? Of course, friendly foreigners everywhere, friendly locals. I'll put the names of the places you guys would have saw below. I'm having a hard time memorizing all the different names, just the way they're pronounced and stuff. So again, all new language, second day here, first full day out, so it takes a bit to kind of remember the names of places. By the time we're gone, we'll know them all for the next trip to Bali. But again, this is the main strip here that's made Canggu famous. This is where everybody started after they got tired of the craziness of Seminyak and Kuta. They came up to Canggu, and this is what it is today. So this is kind of the main busy area. This is a tourist area. You'll see once we get closer to the beach. But again, you got different spas. Clothing shops, like different types of clothing. The cool thing about here is you're gonna find unique stuff. You're gonna find unique jewelry that's handcrafted here. You're gonna find unique clothing. Then you're gonna find, obviously, the discount stores, the knockoff things, the Christian Dior bags, things like that. Fancy walking. But yeah, here's another little shop here. Another clothing store here. You got a little Instagram swing. And I'm filming again on our small Action 6 for the walk. Easier to carry around for this. Again, more clothing stores, more places just to hang out and chill. Nice spots too. They got like nice, the way they're set up, they got like flowers at the spots, and it just has a real nice vibe. They got like a little shrine area or something here. I'm actually going to I got an ND filter on, but it's quite dark right now, so take it off. It won't be as grainy. It was really bright on the beach, so I use an ND filter to darken it a bit. But yeah, they got all these little back alleys and stuff you can go down. There's a bit of a sidewalk here, not much. It's kind of angled, so you got to be very careful walking. But yeah, more construction going on in the background, you can see. Hello. Place is quite busy. Gigi Susu. Must be a popular spot. Well-known spot, Instagram. Got Auntie G's. You can definitely tell this was like the first area. It's, you know, it's aging a bit compared to some of the other places. Hello. Yeah, it's pretty nice here. You just say hello, like H-A-L-O. If you want to say like hello quickly. There's longer versions that are more the proper way to say it, but hello works. Most people say that. You can pretty much speak English. There's a lot of people here speak English. Got a juice spot over there. Some watches and sunglasses. Again, another clothing store. Yeah, spa over here. Again, you got these little shops like this. Again, selling knockoff goods, sunglasses, sandals, clothing, handbags. There's quite a few of those around here. If you're looking for that kind of stuff, it's easy to find. We got Burger Brothers right here. Place is packed at lunchtime. And Cream and Crumble, a cookie spot with ice cream. I thought everybody in Bali was healthy. This is cool here. We told a friend of ours in Samra in Costa Rica that he needs to start something like this, which is just a bunch of different slushies, but put it on the beach where his location is. I'm gonna show him that and be like, hey, this is what we're talking about, Christian. You got to do this in Costa Rica. Nowhere can you get a slushie there. That's cool idea. Again, yeah, different boutique shops along here. Yeah, down these alleyways, there's different like homestays and hotels and villas and stuff you can stay in. You want to stay right in the area. Shayna actually bought a couple silver bangles from this filthy gorgeous, super nice bracelets and like decent pricing, like 100% silver. So they get more of those places. You can buy like knockoff things. Blocking the way. People standing right on the sidewalk as always, on their phone. Excuse me. That's crazy how many people do that. Just stand right in the middle of the sidewalk, just staring at stuff for their phone. These people too. At least they're over to the side of it. But yeah, we had lunch here at Cocomo. It was good food. Service is really good. You'll see the big pink flamingo if you want to check it out. We showed what we got in our first impressions video as well. We're finishing that video today. So I filmed the 2 walk videos and then we filmed our first impressions video today. So banging out 3 videos in one day. You got a sunglass store, like an optic store there. This place looked really cool too. It's called Beach Garden. They have pretty good reviews. Like a little convenience store. Guys, comment below. Have you been to Bali? Have you been to Canggu? What is your favorite area? What are your favorite places to eat or hang out? Drop a comment below. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe. We got lots of content coming out from all over Southeast Asia and beyond. We got a Quicksilver store here. Place called Waterhouse. You got a bunch of other brands and stuff in there for surf gear, just overall clothing. You got all the Grab guys here. They'll just sit here and ask if you need a ride. You don't even have to use the app if you don't want. I suggest that you do. Yeah, you can see a big crane doing some more construction here. Looks like a big hotel or something here. You get more of these little shops selling all sorts of goods. You can get booked like different excursions and stuff here if you want. And I've seen a lot of money exchange places all over here so far. You definitely don't really need to search them out. You'll just come across them. There's so many. But yeah, you can see big hotel project going up right in the heart of this area. So yeah, not too far from the beach now. You see some undeveloped land, which is crazy. Looked like it was a parking lot before or something. Yeah, I see more of these guys just hanging out, waiting to take people. More shopping. Another money exchange. Very repetitive, almost like everywhere, any destination. A nice restaurant here. Oh, it's a beach resort. Maybe that's where everyone's hanging out at the beach, just past where we're sitting. It's just rammed with people. Friendly locals. People here have been amazing so far. Shayna's like, yeah, they're a lot like the Costa Ricans. And then they got a chicken ramen and a Papa Lee's right here. That's where we ate last night, over where we are. And yeah, it's really good ramen, good dumplings, all that stuff. There we are, we're getting close to the beach now. Cool spot. This is Old Man's popular spot for people to hang out. They got like this section here. You got this section, and then on the other side there's a section a bit closer to the beach, but it's not right on the beach. There's a Mexican restaurant. I don't know if the name of it's anywhere here. Oh, it's called Motel Mexicola. Yeah, so that's cool. Yeah, Old Man's. I don't know if we're gonna check that out. Where we're sitting seems cooler. I'm vlogging this guy vlogging. You're in the vlog. Say what up.
Hi.
Heading down to the beach?
Yes.
Yeah, it's nice. So yeah, there's all these areas over here that you can hang out. That's where we are. We're down here. So if you want to see what it's like, go check our first impressions video. Go back. It's linked in the description. But you also have this spot you can hang out too. And then there's another little spot here. And then all along too, there's a few warungs to hang out at. But I'll take you guys down to the beach here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You're sitting up high, good view of the waves, the surf. Again, this surfing beach. You got all these spots to hang out, relax after surfing, or before, or even if you don't surf. But yeah, you can do all the surfboard rentals. These guys do all the lessons too, so if you need lessons, they'll do it. Hello. But yeah, this is all, you go all the way down there. We were sitting down there, again, other video, we're sitting down there, you can see it, but these are all surf spots that you can like hang out at. You can get board rentals, you can do lessons, so if you need that, they'll teach you that. And then yeah, if you go down, there's more warungs. You can hang out, drink beer, and cocktails or whatever else you want. Watch the sunset. And you got like a temple right here too. So yeah, we're down here. I'm gonna walk down that way. I was a little blown out. I had the different settings on, and I don't want to clean the ND filter right now, so I changed it. But yeah, again, I don't know how much of that you guys saw, but this is when everybody comes out, sunset, hanging out at the beach. This says a sign on it, this rock. It says foreigners can't go up there, so don't climb up there. It looks like it'd be a cool thing to do, but there's a sign to read it. And again, this is another super popular spot down here beyond us, which you guys will see in our other video. I did a panning shot. Well, I'll show you guys right now. Panning shot of over top from where we're sitting, which is, we're just up over here. All right, just threw the ND filter back on so it's not as blown out. And I hate filming on a setup I'm not used to. I wish I had the big camera, but oh well, I'll get used to it. And the video is still good for you guys. So yeah, this is the main beach here, Canggu Beach. It has another name, the Batu Bolong Beach as well. It's kind of got both names on it for some reason, but yeah, that's basically the main area. This is where you're gonna come hang out in Canggu and get the full experience. Again, go back and watch our other walk video in the area we're staying, as well as I'm gonna have another one coming out which is further this way that people are starting to stay at now. It's more chill, more surf vibe, a little more calm. So yeah, it's cool to come and check out all these spots that we wanted to see for so long. Share it with you guys. Comment below, have you been to Bali? Have you been to Canggu? Let us know what your thoughts are. Obviously this is our first time, so we don't know what it was like before compared to now. For us, it's fine. It's got a nice natural feel here. Yeah, it's busy, but people are loving it and they're having a good time. Everyone's friendly, nothing crazy as far as stupid things that you see, things like that. So far, I mean, maybe you went out partying, you might see that. But yeah, drop a comment below. If you guys did like the video, if you did find it helpful, please leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. God bless, and we'll see you in the next one.